A judge in Philadelphia has issued a stay of execution for Terrence Williams. Williams had been scheduled to be put to death for murdering a man back in 1984, but the judge found reasonable probability that Williams' verdict may have been different if the jury heard allegations that the man he killed sexually abused him. The judge did grant Williams a new sentencing hearing. On to Texas now, where football is like a religion. But in South Texas, one public high school is accused of violating the separation between church and state by allowing cheerleaders to use Bible verses on banners during the games.
The one parent that did complain, it's just one, if you don't like it, don't come to our games.
We're trying to fight it, but we're not doing that for publicity or anything. We're fighting for God's word. We're not fighting for our rights or anything. We're fighting for God.
The parents of the cheerleaders are standing their ground, filing a discrimination suit, and there's a hearing in the case next week. Let's bring in our legal guys. Avery Friedman, a civil rights attorney and law professor in Cleveland. Good to see you.
Hi, Frederica.
And Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor, joining us from Las Vegas. Good to see you as well.
Hi, Fred.
Okay, so Richard, you first. A court actually has ruled that the school district cannot block these cheerleaders from using these banners with the Bible verses, but isn't this an issue of church and state?
Yeah, that's a hometown ruling by a local. That's a hometown rule by a local judge that wants to get reelected. It has no bearing in law. The judge is flat out wrong. The United States Supreme Court has spoken on this back in year 2000, Santa Fe v. John Doe. You cannot give the impression that a public school is sponsoring prayer or religion. You just can't do it. That's how it is. It's open and shut, black and white. The school's going to be shut down. They're not going to be allowed to do this. You want us to cheer in the stands? You want to bring posters in the stands? You can do that. But the students can't lead the charge, and that's what's going to be stopped here.